Hey guys, welcome back to All Things Flowers. So today I'm out in the garden and I'm harvesting some spring blooms. We're only a few weeks into spring, but we do have some beautiful blooms that I want to make a nice arrangement for our kitchen island. Alright, so this is a vase that my husband created. So we're going to get started with this one. This one is just our fun harvest from the garden. And I'm gonna make an extra slit here just so it can get extra hydration. Keep in mind, after you harvest your arrangement from the garden, you will have to give it time to hydrate. And so that's what's going on with these. I believe this is a viburnum instead of hydrangea, but we have so many plants out there, sometimes I forget what's what. And to just add to this arrangement, we're going to add some sunflowers. So we are only 2 weeks into spring and there's no sunflowers growing yet. We only have seedlings in the ground. So we did get these from the store. So we're going to be adding these pops of sunflowers into our arrangement. part about arranging is knowing when to stop. And so we're gonna stop right here, and I think it's beautiful. I wish you could see more of the blue coming out, but I might arrange that later, but here we go. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, you guys, I'm wishing you guys peace, love, and flowers.